Nekumaka 1 million naira.
HK.
You know HK?
3 years ago. So
that's in Bada.
Ogam na office here. I got na so already money. You want to 5.5 million naira. Oya kofta na Nigeria. So already money ne bro mu one. Enjoy we on agam money kwa goma zoko. So at last come Bada is babam proof. Ni kona kugo sense.
Mbada kwaza na kugo. Bag proof na kugo.
Yes. So the better the boy on to Diego 2.5 million. Before we ATM. I don't agent pin ATM. I don't has head boy, no fees.
Okay, go have HK foreman.
Head boy, yes.
Head boy, okay.
On is him go na I get shoot ATM. And then I can't thank go to the gang. Okay. So Bonnie Kuzura was ATM. But I come on maybe withdraw that such amount of money. Boy, this my brother, some number.
But who's your brother? Can I hear? Izu. Ipo Izu. Okay, Zunka.
Some number I know where by the J. I wrote there. The man said the only one with 1 million naira. I withdraw the 1 million cash. So what is 600,000? Near 400,000. This in the measure. The boy measure.
When we withdraw again?
1 million naira. What is 600,000? Near 400,000. Okay. Them what they go now because they are saying some name like this.
You know why Izu? Your name like this. Izu. Can you work it kunia?
Sir.
Izu kuko because
I honestly said it.
Okay.
Because oh, they made your own gunda here. Some here. The message will get mad. No, I'm the head.
It's go to me na kwatara.
When you hell be an shade mar, no one na not all those things they would have seen it there. When you have from childhood.
Onyole.
Obina.
Obina. Okay.
Yeah, be Maria. You know that the money from childhood.
Go direct to the point.
Like any day move Mariana Oba. That is what I want to say. Any day move Mariana Oba, all our Tenoba. Due to Nene Adag, my papa alone was that in most state. I will just accept him as a brother. Mube Mediaco, Omumishi, one Mumbe DJ, Kuma, Bona Mudish, made it in Omata Shomo sofa. So any dollar to
the case you made 1 million.
So go all that some ATM naturally will take. I direct him where to get money.
You're not directing me, you're calling me for machine.
I can't.
Okay, can I ask you?
You're not directing me, over my machine.
You will take go.
Good, I also can I
50-50, see I'm back.
Okay, Iguarana guy here on board.
Also, I get 50-50, my hotel there, see I'm back. I'm not going to make 50-50.
Yeah, my put on
only can say 60-40.
60-40.
Go she put to Equas, go she put to Equas. New withdraw 1 million. Make you withdraw come another 500. Oh no, withdraw 1 million at one pot. Jeko no bulu. No, actually, I'm no withdraw go no. Like I said the truth. Direct I am boy withdraw ego. Go withdraw for the money. He didn't come back to me. I am married. I have a child. I still married me. I'm sorry for anything. I'm not kissing actually come up get Chile. Gordon Hoy, heavily Meliaji like we are doing now.
You will be a palagood number. Be a palagood number. Be a palagood number.
Nah, area 11.
Area 11 can be a palagood number. It's okay. Well, by the time I had to get a you go his rook, and be a jar and Yanagaka. Because all these things still name me. Bondo Majamono, behind the screen is the commander of civilian anti-corruption Nsukka local government. Obo Hebondo na Rori Alile. Otutoro Kaher Guamara. Me Chineke Jose. We want to thank the chairman for appointing him. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
It's a pleasure meeting with you.
My pleasure too.
Please tell us your name.
Okay. My name is Commander Daniel Emerge. I'm the Commander Civilian Anti-Corruption Nsukka local government.
Okay. You were appointed since when?
Yeah, I said?
Since when
you
were appointed by the local government?
Year.
Last year?
Yes, by the great mayor of the local government, Engineer Chinedu Afoba, the good mayor of Nsukka local government. By his grace, he appointed us.
All right.
To make sure that the town is sanitized.
Since that year, how has it been?
Anyway,
what is your take?
Anyway, it has been...
Because the calmness we have now in Nsukka did not just come like that?
Actually, security matters is not things that we always publicize. Do you get? A lot has happened under the scene, you know, that we don't publicize. Eventually, we just decided to let people know that we're actually working, because a lot of people has been victimized by these criminals in the town, but most of them has brought to book. So we've caught a lot of criminals that are behind the bar.
So you caught and hand over to the police for prosecution?
Police, sure.
Yeah.
And a lot of them has been in the prison. A lot. I mean a lot. I can't make mention of how many criminals who've been
apprehended,
been caught or apprehended along the line. We're not sleeping. We're not sleeping. The mayor deserves a good service, like he appointed us. He's a good man. He has been doing a great job. He aimed the best for the local government. He has done a lot of good things, and we are putting in our best to make sure that the people that are living in Nsukka local government are safe, because that is our priority. Whether you are a stranger, immigrant, whatsoever you are, as long as you're living in Nsukka local government, your safety is our most concerned, and we'll be making sure that people are safe under our watch. So we are doing our best to keep the town sanitized.
All right. There is this incident of a lady that was molested, carried by Okada man, took her to somewhere. The lady did not know the name of that person, but the matter was reported to office. How did you? I'm still wondering up to this day. How did you get to know the person? Because I later discovered that you apprehended that man, and I think he's behind the banner.
Sure.
How did you know that man, even though the lady didn't know his name?
Person.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, as a security personnel,
Yeah.
when a case is being reported, actually we, the security personnel, must know who and who that possess such character of such acts. So when they reported a case of this incident, the young man used to claim Okada man, but when you enter him, he will take you to somewhere and then do a lot of things to either obtain your treasures, a lot of things. So when that case is being reported, I know who that seems to be perpetrating such acts.
After describing how the person looked.
Then after description. So when I took that, I was the one. I said, will you be able to know where you were taken to? She said yes. I drove the lady to the direction of the person I know, and she said he's here. Then I put my surveillance. My boys were on the ground, and within 2 days we apprehend him. And presently he's at the prison. So that is how we work.
We want to thank you immensely, the CSO and the city mayor, for helping us to sleep with our 2 eyes closed. This one specializes in breaking shops,
Yes.
boutiques.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Keep it up.
Yeah, we have been tracking them for a long time now.
Okay, we've been tracking them for a long time.
Yes, we've been tracking them. Unfortunately, today we were able to cut them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
You've been making this work easy for the police. I now remember this number that say we are helping police. We help them to fight crime, to make Nigeria better. Actually, you are doing that. We they help police, you help them fight crime to make Nigeria better. Oh yeah, you're making Nsukka better.
That's true.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
And God bless you.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
it up. The Lord is your strength.
One love
Extend our greetings to your team.
to the mayor, too.
Yeah, to the mayor, especially the mayor
Yes.
and the CSO.
Yes.